Hello kids, welcome to your maths class. I hope you are all are enjoying to come in a new class. As we are studying the mathematics of class 1, we have done in last video the page number 5, 6 and 7. I hope you all have done. You will complete your work time to time. Don't do late work, okay? Today we are going to do the page number 8 and 10. In page number 8 we have just backward counting that which you have learned in UKG class. Backward counting when we go backside, okay, before numbers we have to find out. Here you can see that one train is drawn here. Raju's train is coming towards him. He is Raju and this train is coming towards him. We read the numbers forward. If we will read the numbers from here, we will read the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if we change the engine from here to here, okay, so how you will read these numbers? 9, 8, 7, 6. It means backside you are going. Okay. Raju's train is going away from him. Now in this picture, this train is going away from him. Okay, so it is going in opposite direction of Raju. So how you will read these number from Raju side? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this counting is called backward counting when we find the before number, and from 1 to 9 it is called the forward counting. Okay, write the numbers backward. Here just you have to complete the series according to the fill in the blanks in backward counting. 7 before, it means what comes before 7? 7 opposite. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you will read the number from this side, it will be a forward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here also 4, backward counting you have to write 4 before 3, before 2, before 1, 5 before 4, 3, 2, 1. And at the last you should read the number from this side as a forward counting, so you can confirm that which number you wrote here, it is correct or not. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this page only you have just backward counting, so you will complete this page as a backward counting. Now come to the page number 9. In page number 9, you do not have anything to do, just explanation I have, and I am going to explain you. 0, you know it that which number is called 0? When we do not have anything, nothing, okay, no balloon. She doesn't have any balloons, it means a 0 balloon. We write 0. In counting, 0 comes before 1. But if we talk about the 10, so it comes after 9. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, it is a 0. So 0 comes before 9. When we count the digit 0 to 9, all the digit, we have 10 digit in our counting, and these 10 digits make infinity numbers. Okay. Before, after, in between. What is before? Before, it means backside. After, it means when we go forward. In between, it means which number lies in between of two numbers. 5 comes before 6 and 6 comes after 5. Be careful for the language. Okay, what they are asking, it should be clear to you. 5 comes before 6, 6 comes after 5. This is a language difference. Just only if I ask to you that what comes after 5, 6 comes after 5, and 5 comes after what? 5 comes after what? It means 5 comes after 4. Okay, so this is a difference between two languages. Here I am going to tell you that one more example, that dash comes after 5. Okay, here I am asking to you 5 comes after what? It is a language, just there are language differences. Okay, be careful, try to understand carefully. What comes after 5? 6 comes after 5. 6 comes after 5. 5 comes after what? It means before number you have to choose. Don't see just only after. If after is here, it doesn't mean that you have to write the after number. Okay. 5 comes after 4. This is a difference between in these two languages. Okay. So be careful. Don't see only after and before. You should read full sentence and then you have to give the correct answer. If the blank is given in the starting, so just you have to write the after number of that number. But if blank is given to the last number, 5 comes after. So they are asking about the before number of 5. So it is a 4. Okay. In between, you know it very well that if two numbers are given to us, that you have to tell us that which number is will come in a between of two numbers. Now page number 10. Just you have to complete this page before, after and between. Here 5 is before 6. Okay. Here you can see that before is written but after number is coming here. Just because of language. Okay. Don't write 4 here. 5 is before 6. 3 is before 4. 7 is before 8. Before, some students write before is here. So they write the before number of the given number. No. Don't do this type of mistake. Okay. Then after, 2 is after 1, 6 is after 5, 3 is after 2. After is given but we are writing the before number because language is saying to us that we have to write the before number. And in between, 4 is between 3 and 5, 8 is between 7 and 9. So this page number 10, just before, after and between you will complete in your book, and page number 8, backward counting. So these all the 2 pages you will complete in your book with sharp pencil and neatly. Okay, in Zoom class I will see your book. Okay, goodbye students, have a nice day.